Welcome all you lovely people. Today I have a video for you of the Zontes 350X oil and filter change. The bike is still only available for sale in China at the moment, so this is in Chinese subtitles. It's brand new breaking today. The 310cc bike that I have, 312cc actually, but basically it has two oil pumps and the oil is circulated through the frame to cool. But the 350cc engine doesn't do that. As a 350cc engine, it has an oil-cooled radiator at the front to cool the oil. So the 310cc has a bolt at the bottom of the engine like this one, and has one at the front and middle downpipe of the frame. So the 350cc doesn't do this, it only has one, so it's easier for you. So you undo the bolt and just let the oil drip out a bit without. Set the bolt straight out, it'll just wish all over your oil pump, all over your plastic. Nice and easy. Crush washer on the bolt, clean it up because it's got a magnet on the front of it. Just make sure there's no bits of warp on there. Clean it all up and then put it back in the bolt. The tightening torque is about 24 Newton meters, plus or minus 4 Newton meters. So basically, get it tight and just give it a bit more. Yeah. And there you go. So we're going now to do the adding the oil. 540 oil, about 1600 or 1.6 litres of oil if you're not doing the filter change. If you're doing the oil filter change as well, it's 1.7 litres of oil. Obviously you do the oil filter before you put the oil in if you're changing the oil filter. The warning notice here was basically never ever start your bike when you've got no oil in. You will absolutely ruin your engine. The bottom of the crank bearing needs oil. Now we're doing the filter change. Obviously you've emptied the oil out and you're doing the filter change now. Just undo the 3 bolts. There. Nice and easy to take off. And you got the filter there. You have a washer around the outside of the filter. You take that off. When you get your new filter, you get it in your pack, so you take that off. So you replace that one, and you also have a rubber in the center. Now on this video they're not going to show you, but you can see there's a little hole at the top there where the oil feeds through. So when you're putting the top back on again with the 3 nuts, you have to line that hole up with just putting the new washer on now. Seal. And this has got to go on the outside there, the back. And that goes onto there. And like I said, the metal there does have a little hole that has to line up with the hole that's inside on the top left where there's wiping there. There's a hole on the top left. You line them up. Very important. Well, I hope you like this video. A brand new bike from Zontes, the 350X. You won't find this content anywhere else on YouTube. Please like, subscribe, and this is Manmick signing off. I'll see you next time.